Hello and welcome to my tutorial today on how to install applications on Linux using the apt file system. This will work on Ubuntu and PowerOS, Kali. So to update the repositories, which is where all of the programs are stored, you type in sudo apt update. If it's an older version of Linux, you might have to type in sudo apt-get update instead. And this goes for any of the following commands. So that just updates the repos. To actually install them, you type in sudo apt install sudo apt upgrade, upgrade, and then it'll upgrade anything. So to install a package, use -sudo apt install gimp, for example. So it's now connecting and is now downloading the program. So now if I search for gimp, there it is, gimp. Okay, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate and subscribe, and have a nice day.